Let's go.
Welcome back to my channel. So I look different today because I'm not wearing any makeup. We're just going to go full-fledged natural today for this video because I had a package delivered to me. My husband handed it to me, and like I told y'all, this is a long-awaited gift that my husband got me, and I think it's just pretty dope because for my husband to do this for me, it makes me extremely happy. So why do I need makeup? To do an unboxing of my Canon G7x Mark II. So I did buy this camera refurbished, but even refurbished is still a little bit on the pricey side. This camera, I believe, is like a $600 camera, and I got it for $500 and I think $30 or $570, something like that, and it's still a bit pricey where I could have just, you know, bought the original priced camera. But I was like, why not buy refurbished? Because all they're doing is basically fixing the camera and just making it new. So yeah, this came in the mail today. So as I was cleaning my beauty room, as you can see, that's the reason why I don't have any makeup on. I was cleaning my beauty rooms, and if you see paint, if you see me lift down and you see a white mark, it's paint, y'all. I was in here painting over my desk, and I accidentally bumped my head on my desk, so that's what that is. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and unbox. This is it. I'm going to probably skim out some of this because I accidentally tilt my box over with my address on it. So this is the box it came in, and I'm just gonna go ahead and open it for y'all. The reason why I got this camera because I seen a lot, if you hear my kids in the background, you're gonna hear them. I got this because I was like trying to look and find the perfect camera. Now this isn't gonna be my only camera purchase. I will purchase the another Canon camera specifically for sit down videos and stuff like that. But this is just my first upgrade, my first official ever upgrade, and a really good legit camera. So I seen on YouTube that this is a little pamphlet, Canon pamphlet that comes with it. I've seen a lot of reviews and a lot of good reviews on this camera. So this is me opening it, and this is all that comes in it with bubble wrap. I've seen a lot of good reviews, and I didn't want to pass up the opportunity of trying this camera out. So I did see a lot of good reviews. I did see a lot of, you know, bad reviews. You know, everybody has, I'm saying, you know, a lot. Everybody has their opinions, and that's okay. So, you know, try out what's best for you. That's what I'm doing. So I picked it because I am vlogging family. I'm starting to back vlogging our family stuff. And then I like sit down videos. I know it's really good for sit down videos as well. And I like taking pictures. And I've seen that the pictures that the girls take with this camera is pretty dope. So in this box comes, you know, okay, if you hear my dog barking, I'm sorry. That is a purple iPad on the floor, so yeah. So in this box comes, you know, instructions, a really small pamphlet about the camera, and a little instruction book on how to use the camera. Of course, the camera's in the box. It's wrapped in bubble wrap. So I'm pretty sure this is the camera, and this is the battery and the charging port for it. So I'm going to sit this down, and I'm going to take this out. Oop! Can't be losing the battery now. So I don't know what that is, but this is the battery, and I'm going to go ahead and open it. Yeah, this is where you charge the battery at. If you hear my husband in the background, he's playing Call of Duty. So, sorry. And my baby's in the background trying to whistle. So it's never quiet around here. Okay, so this is the camera. Oh my gosh, so much wrapping. Oh, it's so pretty. It's heavy. It's got some weight to it. So this is the camera, the G7X, the Canon G7X Mark II. If my phone, I'm using my phone. So this is the bag. And the main reason why I definitely got it is because of the flip up screen so I can see myself. I haven't had one of those in a mighty long time. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and kind of put the battery in the camera. Press the on and off button. Oh my God. I'm gonna skip that. Y'all, I can see the difference this camera is making. Look at that. Oh my God. Oh wow. I love the difference that it's making. I can definitely see that. So yeah, when I bought this camera, I'm gonna cut it off because I don't want to mess it up. G7X, this is the PowerShop G7X Mark II. So when I initially, like I said, bought this camera, I just wanted something that takes dope pictures and really nice quality videos. I'm not going to act like my, 11, isn't it 11? My iPhone 11 Pro Max, I think that's what it is. My iPhone is not taking good quality pictures or video because this is a front facing camera. And I think it does really well for what I do, which is sit down and like I do unboxings and like videos of clothing hauls, which I'll be doing a lot more of. And I kind of need more quality in those videos because I don't feel like my camera on my phone is kind of doing that. Every year or every other year, Apple comes out with something new, and then I feel like they try to sabotage the phones we already have to kind of upgrade, and I don't want to keep doing that. So I feel like, every now and then you'll see me record from here, but every now and then you'll definitely see me record from here, or you'll see me take pictures on my IG. I am going to figure out how to use this camera. I do love the body. I love that it has a little weight to it, but nothing, too serious. I'm in love with this camera. Like, seriously, this is a dope little cute camera. But I mainly, like I told you, I got it for the flip up screen because I want to be able to see myself. I want to be able to focus it on my face. So I heard it has a really great focus, autofocus on it. Now, as far as I heard bad reviews about the audio, which I can kind of fix that. I can fix that, which I feel like it's not a big problem, an issue for me. I think it's when it has that static and muffled, that's when I have the issue. But I have not seen anybody that reviewed or used this camera have that issue, like I did with my previous camera before I got my phone. So, which was the Nikon. I had a Nikon, and you can hear the noise in the background, and I did not like that at all. So I'm pretty glad that I did upgrade. This is my first expensive upgrade, expensive. I've had spent on an expensive camera like $300 on my last camera, but this is a $1,200 phone. So, this is, let's say, third expensive thing. So I'm glad to have it, and I can't wait to use it and see the difference. And you guys can tell me the difference in the quality of my videos. I love that my camera is kind of doing a wide zoom on my room, and I wonder if that has to do with me mounting my camera up my iPhone. That's probably why it is, because y'all see my hookah and everything in here. So yes, I'm revamping my room, and I'm trying to figure out if I'm going to paint these walls white or if I'm going to leave them this cream beige. Y'all tell me what you think. I am going to add another shoe shelf in this corner back here, or this corner on the wall. And then I am going to, this is my beauty room / office. I'm going to probably station a TV back here where you guys can't see it. I am going to give y'all a tour. My room is not that big, as you can see, but it doesn't mean I still can't give y'all a tour. Y'all see just a bit portion of it, but I'll just, bit by bit show y'all what my room look like, so y'all can see how you can just, upgrade your room without doing extremely too much. So like I said, there's going to be a lot of different things going on in here. Bit by bit, I'm buying things. Can't buy it all at once because it's expensive to kind of do that all at once. So bit by bit, I'm pulling the room together. If you want information about this wig, this is the Julianne wig, and she used to be long. I cut her because I just didn't like the way she looked long. And for the summer, I just really want to kind of start doing, you know, long looks for like pictures, but, you know, a few short bob hairs for this summer heat because it is hot. I'm going to be attending a wedding, and I still haven't figured out exactly what I'm going to do with my hair for this wedding. I already got my dresses, like legit, I got 3 dresses. 4. I don't know which one I'm going to pick, but whichever one I pick, I have to make sure that my hair kind of, you know, flows with the dress. And so I bought my husband's suit, and he's going to look fly, y'all. I bought him a slim fit suit. I do recommend y'all go to boohooman.com because they got some bomb slim fit suits, even for, you know, the average body build man like my husband. And I feel like their quality clothes is dope. His suit is sitting over here, and it's dope. It looks really good on him. You know, slim fit. I love slim fit clothing on my husband, so we're going to be shopping more in that, you know, that style. Because y'all tell me what you think about the Canon G7X Mark II. You tell me your thoughts on it, how you feel about it, whether you like it or you don't like it. I'm definitely here and down to hear it. I will be coming back with another video. Like I said, I'm going to try to be consistent with my videos because there's a lot of things that I want to do. I have a lot of clothing hauls that I want to share with you guys that I haven't had a chance to. But now that we have these girls, each outfit is definitely going to fit accordingly. Also, I definitely still have my my boutique. So let me tell you this. I definitely have a few outfits that you can buy from me on hand that I'll ship to you. All you have to do is inbox me below, comment below, leave your email, and we can talk, or follow me on my IG, Tamika_Moscato. I do have a website, but right now my website is under construction, and I have a website for a few other things. So until that is kind of fixed, you're going to have to contact me in my email box below. I'm definitely ready to start shipping out outfits. So this is one of the outfits, and I have one more jean dress. That jean dress you see me in my last video, I have one more of those dresses, and it's in one size fit all. So I have one more of those dresses, and that dress is $50. This outfit here, which is this really cute tie top, it ties up in the front. Let me do that now. This really cute tie top. So it ties up in the top, and it's a body, like a little bodysuit here. Like this is like a little body suit top, and it's really cute. You can go to my Instagram and you'll see me rocking it before my boob job. And these are little shorts, high-waisted shorts that comes over that body suit shirt. And these are really cute. I love the material. It's stretchy. So if you have a nice little booty, it's definitely going to fit you. Like I said, I have them packed. I have I believe 2 large, I have 2 smalls, and I have 2 mediums. I have 2 large and 2 smalls left. So yeah, this is the medium. As you can see, have the mediums left. And then that jean dress, like I said in my last video, I do have one more of those left. And then I do definitely have those red plaid outfits. It's a bandeau top, and it comes with high-waisted high low-waisted red plaid pants, wide ankle pants. It stops right above your ankle. It's supposed to give out this really cute rocking look. I wish I can show y'all, but I don't know where my container is with my inventory. So once I find that, I'm definitely gonna show you. But email me in the inbox below, or hit me at my IG and let me know what you think, what you want. Not what you think, but what you want, and we can go from there. The price on this outfit is $55. The dress, like I said, is $50. This is $55. The dress is $50. And that outfit that I'm talking about, the red plaid, is $30. It's $30. So I added the shipping in it. That's the reason why. So the, $55, the shipping, and then, the outfits with the jean dress, $50. You know what I'm saying? $50, because it was $45. Add the 5, it's $50. And then the outfit, the 2-piece set, red plaid 2-piece set, is $30. So you get it, $25 plus the shipping. So I've already included the shipping. You don't have to worry about that. So inbox me here, or email me, or hit me up on my IG. I do have an OnlyFans account. I definitely started that. I will start posting pictures really soon. I just got to get a few things together. But I will be posting pictures on my OnlyFans. Follow me at Lovely Teapot, and you'll see my link below. So if you want to subscribe. If you know anybody that loves feet and bikini photos, that's me. I wouldn't post anything that I wouldn't post on my IG. So therefore, don't ask for nudes because I don't do it. And you know, like I said, follow my last video. You'll know how I feel about all of this. So it's been fun. It's been real. And I shall catch y'all in my next video. Bye.